Menopause belly fat is one of the most frustrating challenges women face. You try everything, dieting, cardio, counting calories, but nothing seems to work. If this sounds familiar, here's the truth. Most women make one critical mistake that keeps them from losing stubborn fat during menopause. Welcome back to Menopause Wellness Journey. I am Ella Sage, and today we're revealing what that mistake is and giving you the exact strategy to finally conquer menopause belly fat and reclaim your confidence. Stay tuned. What you'll learn could change your body and your life. The number one mistake women make is obsessing over calories and traditional cardio workouts. Yes, calorie intake matters, but during menopause, your body is not playing by the same rules as before. Why? Because menopause belly fat isn't just about calories in versus calories out. It's a hormonal game. When estrogen levels plummet, your metabolism shifts dramatically. Add rising insulin resistance and elevated cortisol from stress, and you have the perfect storm for abdominal fat storage. The sad truth? You can't out-exercise a hormonal imbalance. So if you're spending hours on the treadmill, you might be running in circles, literally and figuratively. Here's what science says. Estrogen plays a huge role in fat distribution. When estrogen drops during menopause, your body tends to store fat in the visceral area around your organs, leading to a thicker waistline. Next, insulin resistance creeps in. That means your body struggles to use glucose for energy, so it stores it as fat. And then there's cortisol, the stress hormone. Chronically high cortisol, that equals more belly fat. This is why menopause weight loss strategies must address hormones first. Otherwise, no amount of calorie cutting will work. The good news, there is a solution. And it's not about starving yourself or doing endless cardio. It's about hormonal balance and metabolic health. Here are the 5 pillars of success. 1. Smart nutrition. Prioritize high-quality protein, eggs, fish, lean meat, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts, and plenty of fiber. Cut refined sugars and processed carbs. Intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity. 2. Strength training. Forget hours on the treadmill. Lifting weights builds lean muscle, which burns fat even at rest and improves insulin sensitivity. Start with 2 to 3 sessions per week. 3. Stress management. High stress equals high cortisol equals belly fat. Try meditation, yoga, or even a 10-minute walk outdoors. Yes, laughing at a funny cat video counts too. Science says laughter lowers cortisol. You didn't think science could be fun, did you? 4. Quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, and spikes cortisol. 5. Gut health. Your microbiome influences hormone metabolism. Add fermented foods like kefir and sauerkraut and prebiotic fibers to your diet. Extra tip. Supplements that may help. Magnesium supports sleep and stress. Omega-3s reduces inflammation. Vitamin D critical for hormone health. Always consult your doctor before adding supplements. For some women, hormone replacement therapy HRT can be a game changer for managing menopause symptoms and even reducing belly fat. But this is a very personal decision and must be discussed with your doctor, weighing risks and benefits. Remember, HRT isn't magic. It works best alongside lifestyle changes. Finally, menopause belly fat is not your fault, but you can fight back by focusing on hormones, metabolism, and lifestyle, not just calories. You can finally see results. Share in the comments, what are your biggest doubts about belly fat? If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with other women who need this information, and subscribe for more science-based content on menopause and midlife wellness. Thank you for watching, and remember, you deserve to thrive, not just survive.